Yay, we're recording. We're having such a good time. Oh my god. Can I, like, this music, can this, like, go down? That'd be wonderful, actually. Audio. Oh, wow, it's all 100. No. No, 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 no. This music's great and all, but it's a bit loud. Yeah, you can all go down. Yeah. Voice volume, everything yeah, good. Also, I gotta say, like, the clicking noises it makes when it, like, when you go through, like, options is really cool.
Mm.
Do 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 do. Running around the evil spaceship. Do 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 do. Evil spaceship 1 through 3. Do 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 do. Ooh, it gave me healing powers. Let's go. Wee. I'm a high elf. I got kidnapped. Now I'm in an alien spaceship that's crashing to the ground. This is so unfortunate, guys. Oh no.
What kind of elf are you, Welshie?
So,
Wow, I can't believe we have an under elf with us. That's disgusting.
I don't. So,
You half-blood, you creature of the underground,
Yeah.
you pathetic morsel of a grand race. You should end your own pathetic, half-blooded, elven life, you worthless sod. I don't know.
are you done? Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Well, all right, come on. Let's go.
No, wait. Where's command drop? It's prepare.
Yeah, and prepare spells.
Oh, it's an evil thing. It's going to. Oh no. Oh, the brain is just running around. Hello, intellect. Where are you going, buddy? Where you going, dude? That way? Cool.
Do you want? You want Lizelle?
Yeah, hold on.
Or Havoc? Do you want Lizelle?
What do I want Lizelle for?
If you want a controller,
Oh,
like
why not?
yeah, give it a Havoc.
Cool. Yay.
Just make sure the group are up with you, because it doesn't do it automatically. So if you click into the tab, so you can to select which character you want to play as.
There we go.
Yeah, done.
Okay.
No one back home will ever believe this. Valid and true. Oh, you got the little brain thing I killed on my little let's playthrough as a
Did the
yeah.
brain die in year one?
Yeah, I died in my one.
Not yet, sir. Wait until we're a bit closer.
We are nearing the head. Canyon.
Oh, except into the breach. Into the breach, lads. Oh, enter the helm. Or wait, do we enter the?
All right,
Okay.
we gotta try to get the sword off him for you, since you're a fighter. So
And look, it's the evil demon fucker that was hard to kill.
Yes. So there is an achievement to be able to kill this guy, before you crash the Norlis. It's easy enough to do on lower difficulties, but like balance and higher, it's a little difficult. No.
Do it. We will deal with the Geich after we escape. Connect the nerves. We will connect.
Such a creepy little brain. Oh. Am I going first? Okay. Jump. Because jumping is overpowered as fuck. Wee. Wait, do I have a bow? I don't want to. Oh, no, I don't want to use a bow. No, I don't want to use a bow. Aha. Die, lesser the Howlfoot. One shot, one kill. Let's go. I'm so good. Oh my god.
Wonder if the gods are watching me.
Oh, and my turn because I can't do anything. Okay. Oh wait, I can control her, right? Oh, not yet. It's someone else's turn, I think.
yeah, well, she's got Shadow Heart.
Okay.
Can I do it now?
He's gonna shadow her all over the place. She's
Probably
glowing.
not, because he'll just pick it up before any of us can get to him.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh, okay, now. I jump, because jumping's overpowered as fuck. Whee! Because I can't get any closer. What if I... yeah. Yeah!
Kill the small one things off first.
Yeah! Okay, end turn. Jumping again, because jumping's off as fuck. Whee! I'm a jumpy boy. What is
Alright,
this?
Sebi. Oh, okay, never mind.
It didn't work, so you'll have to try.
Hey, buddy! Oh, that did not work at all. Okay, my turn. I'm about to get laid into. Oh, how are you? Oh, boy. Oh, wait, oh, Shadow, right.
Victory awaits.
It surely does, Lazel. It surely does. Da 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 da. I can jump now. I'm so good. Oh my god. Wee jump. Okay, go there, Lizelle. And then lacerate his ass. No?
Close enough, probably.
Oh, can I not? Oh wait, no, let's do this. Fuck it.
Too close.
Maybe if you get in the little gap.
I think he's got enough movement left to use it on the jump.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just fucking do that. Piss now. Yep.
Yeah.
Alright,
Do you want to go first with the command, Elshi?
I'll try it again.
lacerate his ass. Da, boy. Well, he's bleeding at least. Just something. Ooh. Pommel strike.
Wow. 3 in a row.
Yeah.
That did nothing.
Wow.
Oh.
Four times. Okay, now we actually have to just...
We're having a good time. Leroy Jenkins.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Lizelle. Nope.
Oh! Don't think you gained your sword.
Oh, we'll have to try. Really hard now. This is gonna be difficult.
I don't think you're gonna get it.
Took me
You usually know if you're gonna get it within the first couple turns.
Hello, Brez.
took me fucking long enough.
I missed. Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Pommel strike. I got him. I did 1 damage. I'm amazing. Hype. I'm so good at the game. Oh. Kill him. Your spine is mine. It's funny. Ooh, this might work. Oh, that will not work. I lied. Yeah. Yo, critical hits. Let's go. Ooh.
Brez, you need to have a Larian account and turn on crossplay since, well, she's on the PS5.
Okay, I'm going to do that.
Firebolt of death. Lightning bolt of death. Oh. It said fuck you to your second flame. That's not good. Main hand attack. Leroy Jenkins. Hey, I did 6 damage. Let's fucking go. Alright, that's me done.
Well, yeah, okay.
Nope. I missed. Okay, sad.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and my turn. Hey, we got him down to 96 at least. Let's go.
Okay.
I sent you a friend request, Brez.
Yo, 6 damage. Let's go.
Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
wait, a friend request or an invite requested?
Ooh.
Friend request, I'm pretty sure. Or it could be an invite.
I mean, if it's on Steam, it's...
No, I have you on Steam. It's in the actual game, since it's crossplay.
Yo, 4 damage. Yay. End turn. Oh, my turn again. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. We're so good. I missed. I suck. Okay, good to know. Uh-oh. It's not good. It's very bad. Critical hit. Let's go. Ooh, who was that? That was us. That was little boy. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. I'm kind of in the middle of the game with some friends right now, Mom. No, we're gonna be here for a bit. Sorry. My mom's going for a walk with the dogs.
If she's willing to wait for 10 minutes, you can go with her.
Oh wait, Mom, I can go in 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. Uh-oh, he has reinforcements.
Oh no, we lost Brez.
Uh-oh. Throw their corpses. Wait, can my guy go again? Where's my guy at? Wait, what the hell? That's not. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh no!
What?
Oh, I need to take a picture of this real quick. Oh, my game is glitched to fuck!
Ah, that was a waste of the point.
Oh, I can't see a fucking thing!
Oh no!
Oh my god! No.
Oh. That looks like an
Oh.
acid trip. What the fuck is that?
Oh my god, I don't know what happened. I think it's just affecting the
Victory awaits.
oh, what do you call it?
Hmm.
Just the models. Like the UI is perfectly fine. Oh my
Ooh,
god.
11 damage.
I think we might be able to kill him.
You know, legit, I think we can. Hopefully boys' friends will get here. That'd be nice.
Right. We might not. We might not.
We gotta finish it.
We can do
No,
17.
no. We heard that as well.
We can do 17 damage and ooh, maybe not.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Nah, we can do
Oh,
some. The rest of us can do 17 damage.
I genuinely can't see a fucking thing.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
There we go. Everything seemed fine. Okay.
Oh, it's fixed itself. I'm Seb.
What?
You moving closer fix the whole acid trip.
Oh, great. You're welcome.
Oh, check the chat. Check the group chat. Oh, not the group chat. Sorry, the chat for the VC. You'll see
Yeah.
that my game glitched out a bit.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh. Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Oh! Did I get... Oh, shit.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay.
Try to finish him and pick up the sword.
My turn, okay. Main hand
Okay.
attack.
Yeah, just
Yeah, kill him.
whack it.
Oh.
Oh my god! Okay. We can... Come on, guys. We can do this.
We can do it. We can do it.
Nope.
Jesus.
Shadowheart.
Shit, okay.
He's actually useless.
Uh-oh. 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 Shit.
Oh, no, he's down. Go for the other guy.
Let's go!
Get the sword. Get the sword.
Wait, no, that's not the right guy. That's the wrong loot.
Last.
I got the sword. Alright, we good to go,
Cool.
lads.
Okay, we
Yeah,
gotta
we
get
can
out of here now.
Time to flee forth our
Run
life.
now.
Flee. Ow.
No, he's
Oh,
dead.
I'm dead.
What?
I'm dead. Ah, shit.
Okay. Seb, you might have to dash and just take the
I will. Yeah.
hit.
Okay. Flavor and plus one.
Damn these imps. Reach the transponder.
We're out.
Oh, yeah.
We're free? Let's go.
Oh,
Go.
I was making my character. Okay, I hope.
You can take over for me. I gotta go. I can
Yeah,
go now.
I'm-
I can go now, yeah, right? Am I like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool.
I just want to create Simoaya. Oh, what? I was. Okay, it gave me a fucking error. Okay,
Most
anyway.
melee attacks use your strength sword to hit and deal damage. Yippee.
Okay, can they?
Loading. We're crashing. Oh no, we're skipping the cutscene. Okay. I'm on the beach again.
You've already seen this.
Yeah. Holding my head, wondering where the fuck I am, wondering why the fuck I am,
As you wait,
questioning the existence of the
tadpole's
world.
burns in your skull.
Check yourself for injuries. Yep.
Other than the infection, you're more or less intact. A miracle,
Okay.
given everything you've been through.
Maybe
But
it's
it'll all
for
be
the
for
way.
nothing if you don't find help soon.
Yep.
Okay.
The tadpole
Now,
is a
let's
death
just-
sentence.
Let's
Alright.
just also make my
Did I just quit game? I don't save anything? Yeah. Is there...
You'll be fine now.
Yeah, okay, I can just quit? Okay. Okay. Bye, guys. See you later.
Bye, Avic.